If you can manage to get your hands on this, I would definitely go ahead and do that. You will not be disappointed. So this product has everyone in a chokehold right now, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on a pale girl. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand in the shade Fair Medium. The applicator is like a little sponge. You just turn the top so that it says on, push a little of the product up, and then make sure you turn it off because if not, it will leak. So I just went ahead and put that in the spot where I would normally put my bronzer / contour. And as you can see, it's like a really pretty neutral color. It's not too warm and it's not too ashy looking. I like to blend mine in with the Beauty Blender. Some people prefer a brush. I think this color is absolutely perfect for pale girls with neutral undertones. It's not too warm, but it's not too ashy. It just gives your face a little bit of color and a little bit of dimension. Also, these sponges are fantastic. I get them on Amazon as well. 6 for like half the price of one of these at Sephora. So that's all blended in, and I think it just gives you a really pretty color, a really nice glow. It wears beautifully throughout the day. So if you can manage to get your hands on this, I would definitely go ahead and